In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we get one final sail in on Nina before getting some beach time and attending the King's Cup award ceremony. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. We could not do it without you, and thank you to chartercatamaran.com for supplying the boat we're currently sailing. We had a few extra crew members on this sail. We were taking out some potential buyers to Nina to take her on a test sail. We hadn't had time to fix the tear in the sail yet, so we had to improvise.
Right there, just a small tear.
So with the temporary patch, it was time to hoist the sails and get underway.
We have some professional racing crew with us today. We have Chris and Peter, a couple of German racers. They're here for the regatta and racing in it, and they're looking at buying this boat. So we're taking them out on a little sail today. It's nice.
I like that they love the boat just as much as I do.
Yeah. Well, I like the boat. It's easy to trim and really perfect for charter and for owner cruising.
That's exactly what I said. Nina's gonna be sold before this video ever comes out.
I know, right? It's all right though. It's nice having a crew sail the boat for us.
This is pretty awesome.
Yeah. That's what we need. Is the next boat we'll just have a crew do it, and we'll just film everything, and they can sail it.
This feels kind of fancy.
They can do all the work on the boat. They can put the sails up and down and do that. We can just sit there and
ask for grapes.
Right.
I'll get grapes this time.
Yeah.
As we went out for a sail, the regatta fleet was finishing up their last day of racing. It's hard to see the chart plotter, but we're making almost 8.5 knots on not much wind.
Somebody's got to haul in on that jib sheet as we tack, yeah?
The black one?
So.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go! Winch?
Over the sail.
There we go. On our way now. Let's see if she'll
Nina really is a quick catamaran. There's a link popping up here if you'd like more information on the boat.
So you may recognize this Rain Man water maker. That's the same one we did our Pacific crossing with. It's kind of good to have on the boat. We didn't actually need it this time because we've gotten pretty good at conserving water, and it had enough on the boat we didn't need to, but it's always nice to have it there. All right, last time on this boat. The guys are gonna make an offer, so good luck to them. Hopefully they get it. They really like it. It's a fast sailing boat.
This is actually the trimaran the guys have been racing in the King's Cup Regatta.
Well, another successful
Sail?
Yeah, it's kind of like, I don't know if we call this a season of sailing, but at the end of this trip, we'll be on another trip in a month.
You had to say goodbye to me again. Why do you keep doing this? I thought you liked me.
I will say hello again very soon. But anyway, cheers. We're going to see the award ceremony for the King's Cup tonight. That should be fun.
And then we dress up.
Yeah, we have to dress up. We have to like wear shoes. I don't even know how many shoes. I have to go buy shoes.
Oh yeah, you have to have closed-toe shirts, pants.
Yeah, I do have one pair of pants. But anyway, so we'll do that tonight, and then so tomorrow we're gonna fly to Chiang Mai. We'll still bring you some videos of Chiang Mai, but after that, we're gonna go home for a month. But
holiday time.
You won't see a difference because
the videos keep going.
Yeah, and then we'll catch right back up and film. So anyway,
By the time you find out, we'll already be on the water.
Yeah. Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Before the award ceremony, it was time to cool off on the beach.
On our way to the King's Cup final like award ceremony and dinner and party. Should be a good time. They actually asked us to, because we shot a lot of footage and drone footage and everything this last week of the race, and they asked us to put together a video together for them, so they're gonna loop that, I think. You know, play in like I have a lot of pictures and drone footage and video of the
They only had like 5 pictures they were showing.
yeah,
so
they weren't showing, they didn't have any pictures, so
this is definitely an upgrade.
this is like a 10-minute video, like professionally edited, so hopefully they'll like it. Yeah.
I think the drone stuff they're gonna absolutely love.
Yeah, they should really like that. Hopefully you guys will like it too.
You should have.
Or you guys already liked it maybe by now. You've already seen it.
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen that, there's probably a video popping up right now.
There were representatives of the king in attendance, so there was definitely security at the party. There was a good crowd, although I've definitely been to crazier regatta parties. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible, and thank you once again to chartercatamaran.com for all that you've done for us. If you'd like us to help you get your boat sold by sailing it and promoting it, send me an email. There's a link in the show notes.